Welcome to FTP2SF, Secure File Transfer for Salesforce, built following General Data Protection Guidelines. FTP2SF is a product available on the Salesforce AppExchange and built for Lightning. It can be used to transfer files to and from Salesforce. Use our drag and drop interface, including with multiple files. Create custom scripted events. Any file size or type is supported. We support cloud services such as Azure Blob, AWS S3, and coming soon, Microsoft OneDrive and Google Drive. We also support on-prem FTP and SFTP servers. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, whilst SFTP is Secure File Transfer Protocol. These well-established server-to-client transfer protocols provide the benefits of speed, stability, and security, as well as flexibility and control. Uses for the app include migrations, shifting data from other CRMs, warehousing or backup of key data, synchronize key files including scripted events, pull product documentation from external sources into Salesforce, store or synchronize call center voice recordings. Benefits include overcome native Salesforce file size limitations, significant savings over storing files within Salesforce. In many cases, the app pays for itself in the first month. Allow your users to access internal unstructured file stores. Meet your compliance and data retention requirements. Configuration is easy. Simply install within Installed Packages and click Configure. Next up, it's time to register the services or servers you plan to use. We use a wizard with 3 key steps. Step 1. Select your region. We utilize an AWS service, and this step ensures you can comply with your organization's data requirements by choosing a region that is appropriate. In this demonstration, we are selecting Sydney. Step 2. Register your instance. Here you are effectively registering your Salesforce instance with the AWS proxy or region which you selected in Step 1. You will receive a registration complete pop-up. If there is a failure, there will be an explanation. Likewise, you can change the region in Step 1 and click the Register Again button to re-register. Step 3. Register site. This only needs to be done once. Here, you will add each of the servers you plan to use, be they cloud-based such as Azure Blob and AWS S3, or OneDrive and Google Drive, both of which are coming soon. For on-prem, you can add an FTP or SFTP servers. The fields will prompt you for which settings to enter, for example, IP address and password. More detail can be found by clicking the eye icon on the right side of each field. After adding any changes, click Save Sites to execute. You can also test your connection to the configured service at any time by clicking the test icon at the far right. This will highlight any faults if unsuccessful. Now that you or your administrator has set up the services, it's now time to start using the app. You can add the drag and drop site browser to any Lightning record page of your choice. In this example, we have added it on the Accounts page. We provide a site browser. By the Select drop-down, choose one of the pre-configured sites or servers you want to interact with, for example, FTP. You can drag, drop, or browse for files to upload. You can also create directories and view files that have previously been added. You can interact with the FTP2SF app via the native Salesforce Developer Console. We provide a standard set of commands that can be used by your Salesforce admin or development team. This is a powerful feature of FTP2SF, enabling customized scripts to be created so that a specific file or files can be imported or exported and then processed. One such example is outlined here. We are taking a corporate American Express transactions batch from the FTP server it resides in and pulling it into Salesforce. This is a scheduled event. The transaction data can then be assigned to each cardholder's instance, so individual staff can assign an expense code to each transaction. Another fantastic use case might be for call center recordings to be stored outside of Salesforce, but scripted so that the call can be assigned to a contact record within Salesforce. Go to the Salesforce AppExchange for a 14-day free, no obligation trial. We provide support inclusive to each annual purchase. Visit www.ftp2SF.io for a comprehensive portal including support, pricing, and terms. FTP2SF is proudly developed by the team at AppGenie. Visit appgenie.com.au.